Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Samsung dishwasher stuck on heavy and on turn off, force cancel and drain. Fix 1. Perform a soft reset. First of all, you have to open the dishwasher door slightly. Press and hold the start or reset button for exactly 3 to 5 seconds. Close the door firmly. Listen to the pump. It should run 60 seconds drain cycle. Wait for the chiming sound that the signals the cycle has officially cleared. Fix 2. Perform a hard power reset. Go to the main electrical service panel in your home. Locate the circuit breaker labeled dishwasher. Flip the circuit breaker to off position or unplug the dishwasher if connected to an outlet under the sink. Leave the power off for 10 minutes to allow internal capacitor to drain. Flip the breaker back on. Attempt to start a new cycle on the dishwasher. Fix 3. Inspect and try the leak sensor. You just have to turn off the dishwasher at the circuit breaker for safety. You unscrew and remove the kick plate from bottom front panel of the dishwasher. Shine a flashlight into the door panel underneath the dishwasher. If any standing water is present, you just have to soak it up with a towel, sponge or wet or dry vacuum until the pan is completely dry. Leave the kick plate off and turn the breaker back on. Check if the error has cleared. Fix 4. Clean the filter and sump area. Open the door and fully remove the bottom disc rack. Turn the cylindric mesh filter counterclockwise and lift it out. Remove the flat metal mesh screen surrounding the filter. Clean both parts in a sink using a hot water, dish soap and an old toothbrush. Check the exposed sump hole for any food, glass or plastic debris blocking the drain impeller. You just have to reassemble the filter securely. Fix 5. Check the sink drain line. Open the cabinet doors under the kitchen sink for inspection. Check that the corrugated dishwasher drain hose for a sharp end or heavy object. Ensure the hose has high loop anchor near the top of the cabinet frame. Run the kitchen garbage disposal for 15 seconds to clear the drain pathway. Thanks for watching.